One of the things I like most about TCPDump is that when you gather traffic, you are able to save it so that you can analyze it later. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can capture traffic and save it so that later you can easily open the traffic, or rather open the file and analyze. Let us first of all get the interface we are going to capture from. Now let us go sudo tcpdump interface. This is our interface that we want to capture from. Now the host what we want to capture is traffic going to the Google DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. Now we use -w, which means write. We can now give it a name. Let's say Google DNS dot, this is important, pcap. So you are going to save it in pcap format. Now you hit enter. Nothing is happening, so let us generate traffic. Let me open another terminal and let us ping 20 lines or 20 packets. Hit enter. Let me stop this. Let us see if it got generated or not. Let's say tcpdump -r, which means read. Now we called it, that is what we called our file. Let me copy this and paste here and hit enter. You see? So now we've been able to capture and open our traffic that we just captured. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel so that you can see other things that I'm going to post. Thank you.